Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix AirDrop not working on your iPhone, whether you're trying to AirDrop from iPhone to another iPhone or maybe an iPad or even a MacBook. You're going to follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is going to make sure, just pull down that control menu and put your phone on airplane mode briefly and then turn it off and go ahead and try. And if that doesn't work for you, the next thing you want to do for AirDrop is pull down that control menu. Right here in this icon, you're going to tap in the middle. This will bring up the menu for things like AirDrop, as you'll see up top here. And where it says, right now you'll see it may just say contact only by default. You're going to select that. And what you're going to test out to do is, instead of just contact only, you're going to do it for everyone and then go ahead and try. Now you want to do it for this device and the other device as well. Make sure it's selected to everyone, so you can see that you can AirDrop to them and also see if they can AirDrop to your device as well. So after that, you can always change it back to contact only if it works. Now, other thing you want to go ahead and do is in your setting, you're going to make sure that your Bluetooth here is turned on. You need Bluetooth, and you also need to be connected to Wi-Fi in some scenarios. So try Wi-Fi as well. These two will make sure that there is no issue connectivity wise. Now, if it's still not working, or if you're still having an issue, the next thing you want to do is from the top menu here, make sure that you are not on Do Not Disturb. If Do Not Disturb is turned off, you're going to tap on it to turn off, or any of the focus mode, as they can block things like AirDrop from occurring on your device. And you're going to make sure that's the case for both devices as well. Now, when it comes to AirDropping something to someone, right, you want to make sure both devices are on lock at the same time. So let's say I were to go ahead and AirDrop something. As an example, like I'm AirDropping this. I click on it right in the AirDrop here. You should see their name come up right here or so. Again, make sure AirDrop is also opened up by making sure their phone is unlocked at the same time. Now, another thing you need to consider doing is just doing ahead and making sure you're set in your setting general. You want to make sure that you do not have any VPN turned on. Sometimes VPN can also block things like AirDrop, so you're going to turn off VPN as well. Now, along with VPN, another thing in the setting that you want to check out is that you don't have any restrictions. So in your settings, usually if you have a screen time setting under content restriction and privacy, if you have this on, just simply turn that off altogether and try, and then you can always turn it back on. This can also block sometimes AirDrop from occurring with that restriction. Now, if it's still not working, the other thing you want to go ahead and do is just restart both of the devices. So you can do this by pulling down the top menu, click on the power icon up top here, or you can just go ahead and press the volume up and the side button at the same time. And the menu to slide power off will come up. You'll turn it off and then turn it back on by holding that power button. Again, do it for both devices. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to do is in your setting, just simply go to General and then scroll down, and you're going to do a transfer reset iPhone, and you're going to click on reset, and you will need to do a network reset. A network reset will just reset the network settings themselves. It will not delete any of your data, but an important step to do if you can AirDrop. Finally, let's say you did a network reset. Most likely you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi again. But in the settings, you're going to go to General, Software Update. You're going to update the phone software as well. It's always good to make sure maybe a previous update didn't cause any issues for things like AirDrop not working. So go ahead and update your phone as well. You want to see if you can get the other person to update their device as well at the same time, and also have them do a network setting reset as we show. So with all of these, your AirDrop should be working now on your phone. Now, one final thing that you might not have considered is making sure your device and their device has enough storage. Again, this is a rare case, but in the settings, you're going to go to General and then iPhone storage. Make sure their device has enough storage. You can see here I have a lot of storage, but their storage is full. If you're trying to send a large video, it might not send to them, so they might need to clear some space by deleting some apps, photos, videos on their device. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.